Let's pray. Our God in heaven, we thank you because
umukoro ogu gwatandukana meya wa Mbarara City arikushobora ahabizibu na n'obushomankuzi oburi omu mashanyarazi.
Nomanya abaza kuba harimu ab'emitima efiire n'obutulya oshanja harimu abarikubaasa kukikora, because this is something that is very terrible. Honorable Minister, if we don't address this issue, we are going to waste a lot of resources, a lot of money, putting up power, and people go back and vandalize and even take away wires and sell them somewhere.
Paulo Mwesugwa, managing director wa UEDCL, yajumirira omuze gw'abakozi b'amashanyarazi abarikugaruka enyuma bakiba ebikondo na waya arikugira ngu nk'ekitongore babasize kukwata kandi basiba abantu abarikwejumbira omu kikorwa eki.
We are very serious on issues of integrity. So UEDCL will not have time for criminals. Even if you are our staff, just engage the police in charge, they arrest you, put you in, we do internal disciplinary action, and you are fine.
Mwesugwa yagumza muyashobora abantu ahabwinshi amashanyarazi nigakira kuburabura ngo bariyo nibongeza ahaburemezi bw'amashanyarazi.
We recognize that there's poor power supply in the region, but what we are doing now with our sister company transmission is to add the capacity to make it times 2. So soon or later, before end of this month, hopefully if the engineering works are done as scheduled, stability will come to normal.
Ziria Tubarwa wako or Chief Executive wa Electricity Regulatory Authority yashobora kigendera cyo kwigura office muri Mbarara nko kusya abantu obuhereza.
This regional office brings our regulatory functions closer to the people. The residents of Greater Ankona, Greater Kigezi, Greater Rwenzori, the Toro, the Bunyoro regions now have improved access to regulatory services.
Rukara Mwesugwa omwishinjiro wa Mbarara City North yashobora ngo amashanyarazi gakomyanye itari yemwe nemwe ntuza kweta katare kakura hagati ya Mbarara na Rwanda.
The roads have been made. When you drive to Tanzania here, you might not find those roads in our Kampala, you Ira people. The road is perfect, but what products are we selling? And how can we sell them? We can only sell them once we have power here, we have factories here, we have industries here, so that we can have that linkage of supplying the neighboring countries.
Wajukira Minister Dr. Sarah Kanabi yahiga abakozi okulebuka ngo bakora umurimo gwabo.
ERA team in the Western region to utilize this office as a catalyst for transformation. Engage constructively with local leaders, service providers and communities to ensure that electricity sector regulation supports the realities and aspirations of this region that have been highlighted by some of the leaders.
Yashaba bataka bambara n'abantu muri Ankore okosa office eji okubayamba kutunga amashanyarazi.
I urge all electricity consumers, local leaders and stakeholders in this region to make full use of the services offered by ERA Regional Office. They've been highlighted by the CEO.
Sarah yagira ngo ekitongore kya Electricity Regulatory Authority tikiri kukwata mpora enshonga z'obushuma bw'amashanyarazi
of this area to safeguard the infrastructure, report any suspicious person vandalizing, and let's ensure that they are brought to book to answer the charges. The law is very, very tough on vandalism.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Susan ari no mukisa abwa Tayari West omuri Mbarara.